So one of the questions I always get asked is, how do I store and sort and go through all my cables? I've just recently cleaned out my workshop and I've got rid of boxes and boxes of cables. But one thing I do have now is just a little storage case like this. And what I do is I just keep the bare essentials. And what we have inside is one compartment with that type of cable in it. Inside we have all the micro USB cables wrapped up. We have the mini micro USB cables all wrapped up. We have all of our USB-C, USB-A to USB-C, USB-C to USB-C cables. We have lightning adapters here. And I've just chucked in here a USB-C to network adapter. That should really go over here with these ones. In here we've got audio cables. Had a whole bunch of audio cables. In here we've just got adapters. So we've got power, adapters. We have audio, that should actually go in there. We'll put audio in there as well. And there. And we also have things like cam link as well to record anything videos or PlayStations or Xbox. Other adapters in here. Cigarette lighter chargers. Oh, and this thing here is a USB-C and USB-A tester to check the voltage and make sure they're working. So yeah. I've just found these other ones, so I've got an audio lightning, so I'll put that into here. We've got a USB-C to USB-C, so that will go into there. And we've got a display link to VGA, that will go into my adapters. I've also got figure 8 power cords here as well, because they're always handy. Oh, and then we have HDMI to micro HDMI, and then just in case we've also got another cable. We've also got component as well. I'm going to keep a few of these component cables because I'm going to record some VHS to the computer, so they'll come in handy for that. Yeah, and so it just keeps in this tidy little box, locked away until I need it. So if you're in a rut and you have all your cables spread across the house and you can't find the cable at that particular time, maybe something like this will help. See you next time.